Hello from Filings Corner. MOA and AOA Amendment Services, legally sound, seamlessly executed. The Memorandum of Association, MOA, and Articles of Association, AOA, are the constitutional documents of your company. Whether you're rebranding, expanding operations, or modifying governance structures, amending your MOA and AOA is essential to stay compliant and future-ready. At Filings Corner, our expert team of CAs, CSs, lawyers, and legal executives ensures your amendments are drafted, filed, and approved without errors or delays. Why amend the MOA or AOA? Your business evolves, and so must your corporate documents. Amendments are typically required when changing the company name, rebranding, merger, or restructuring, adding or changing business activities, updating your object clause, increasing or decreasing share capital, for fundraising or restructuring equity, altering shareholder rights, voting powers, dividends, and class rights, modifying governance structure, board roles, meeting procedures, decision-making powers, ensuring regulatory compliance, adapting to the latest rules under the Companies Act, 2013, Step-by-Step MOA and AOA Amendment Process 1, Board Resolution, approve the proposed amendment. 2. Shareholder approval, pass a special resolution via EGM AGM 3, drafting of revised MOA and AOA, reflecting updated clauses. 4. MCA form filing, submit MGT 14, SH 7, INC 24, etc. 5. ROC approval, registrar verifies and issues the amended certificate. We handle the full life cycle, from drafting to approval. Important MCA forms. You'll need form purpose timeline MGT 14. File special resolution for any amendment within 30 days of passing SRSH 7 change in authorized share capital within 30 days of board approval. INC 24, approval for name change. Within 30 days of resolution, PAS 3, share allotment, if applicable. Within 30 days of allotment. DIR 12, update director information, if governance changes. Within 30 days of change documents required. Certified board resolution, special resolution from shareholders, drafted revised MOA and AOA, IDDIN and identity proofs, if directors are changed. Stamp duty payment proof, if applicable. Penalties for non-compliance. Failure to file MGT 14, RCR $1,000 plus R500 day of delay. Delayed INC 24 or SH 7. Penalties as per ROC guidelines. Operating with outdated MOA AOA may result in legal restrictions, ROC objections, or inability to raise funds. Don't risk penalties or missed opportunities. Stay compliant with Filings Corner. Why choose Filings Corner? Legal drafting expertise, customized resolutions and MOA AOA content, precise MCA filing, no rejections, no delays, expert team of CAs, CSs, and legal advisors. Trust your compliance with professionals. End-to-end support. We manage everything from board approvals to final ROC acknowledgement, affordable and transparent pricing. No hidden charges, no confusion. Let's get it done the right way. Amend your MOA and AOA with ease and confidence. Call us or visit www.filingscorner.com to get started today. Let Filings Corner handle your company's legal backbone so you can focus on growing your business.